Italy. Just the name makes me want to pack a bag and book a flight. If you're a solo traveler craving adventure, authenticity, and a little bit of magic, I've got you covered with this 2025 Italy guide, my personal favorites, hidden gems, and tips to make your solo journey unforgettable. Let's start at the heart, Rome. Imagine strolling past ancient ruins, catching your breath as you turn a corner and see the Colosseum in all its glory. I suggest hitting the big sites early. Sunrise is your best friend here. For transport, grab a Roma pass for discounted entry and easy metro rides. And don't skip the Trastevere neighborhood. Wander its cobbled alleys, grab a creamy gelato, and soak up the vibe. Next, Venice. I know everyone talks about gondola rides, but solo, it's pure freedom. Try going at dusk. The canals glow and the crowds melt away. Save money by picking up a Vaporetto pass for the water buses. My best hidden gem? The Libreria Acqua Alta, a whimsical bookstore stacked with books in gondolas. Perfect for a quiet moment. Florence is a masterpiece. Climb the Duomo for sweeping city views, then get lost among artisan shops on the Oltrarno side. Street food here is a must-try. A lampredotto sandwich if you're feeling brave. And for art lovers, hitting the Uffizi Gallery in the late afternoon means shorter lines and softer light streaming over Renaissance masterpieces. Ready for coastal dreams? The Amalfi Coast is calling. My advice? Skip the big towns and hop on a local bus to Ravello or Praiano. The cliffside views at sunset are unreal, and you'll find charming trattorias with homemade pasta, minus the tourist crowds. Don't miss Tuscany. Picture golden hills, sunflower fields, and medieval villages like San Gimignano. Renting a scooter is perfect for solo travelers, just you, winding roads, and endless panoramas. Pop into tiny wineries for a tasting or browse bustling markets for local cheese and fresh bread. Milan is your stylish finale. Beyond the Duomo and Galleria, there's the Navigli district, canals lined with vintage shops and buzzing aperitivo bars. Try visiting on a Sunday for the antique market, where you'll find treasures and maybe make a friend over an espresso. Here's my best solo travel tip. Say yes more often. Talk to locals. Try that weird pasta. Take the detour. Italy rewards curiosity. If you need more inspiration, check out the hidden villages like Civita di Bagnoregio, perched on a hilltop and almost lost in time, or colourful Procida, where tourists are few but the charm is endless. Ready to create your own Italian story? Hit subscribe, drop a comment with your Italy dreams, and don't forget to share your adventures. Buon viaggio!